Hey everyone, are you tired of your voice chat not working in Rainbow Six Siege? I've got a quick 60-second fix that will get you back to communicating with your squad in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, head down to your Windows search bar and type in My Games. You'll see a folder for Rainbow Six Siege. Click that, open that folder with the random string of numbers, and find the game settings file. Open that up. Once you're inside, it will launch up a notepad right here. Scroll down until you hit the audio section. This is where the magic happens. Look for the audio output device line. You're gonna want to delete the text currently on the audio output device, which is the number. Just go ahead and clear that out completely. All that's left is to hit Ctrl S on your keyboard to save those changes. Then close the file, and that's it. Launch your game, and your voice chat should be good to go. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more fixes.